Welcome to the crypto nest. All right, so sand. I just wanna, I would like to zoom out a little bit. Okay, so here we had a 3-wave up. We had a nice, beautiful wave 2. I honestly thought that this was finished as a second wave in 2023 October, but then we managed to make another lower low. I think it was in July or June, August last year, and then from there you can see that we had a very nice movement here, and then I was okay. Sand is back on track. So we had an A, we had a B, and yeah, this was a diagonal kind of, and not a pretty one, honestly, right? Let me go on the 8 hours maybe for this one. So this, it was a little bit crazy, and I managed to have a kind of ugly 5-wave, but still 5 waves. I count this as a wave C, completed a wave 1 in blue, and once again, an A, a B, and a C, fine. But as you can see, we went way below what we should. Even went below the 0.886. And I know a lot of time we say, this is a new coin, it only had one cycle, and blah, blah. Well, that's the problem. We shouldn't give any chance. If the count is weak, is weak. And you can see that when he lost the 0.786, then he even lost the 0.886 and almost got invalidated. And since then, didn't move much, isn't it? If you did manage to time it properly and you were a real cowboy with risk management questionable, because buying here, okay, fine, your invalidation is here, but so today you would make 50%. I mean, it's great, but let's zoom out a little bit. What was the expectation for this coin? So if this was a wave 1 and this was a wave 2, I think, yeah, look at that, 1-to-1 ratio, $62. We are 31 cents, 32 cents. See, this is why we shouldn't proportionally say, okay, so if Bitcoin this cycle is at bear market 17,000 and sand is about 20 cents, if Bitcoin is going to go to 140,000, well, my goodness, I'm going to be super rich. I will not know how to manage my money, because it's going to go, well, 1 cent is going to be $534 or $2,000. Yeah, this is how we call it a party pooper. Doesn't work with altcoins, and this is how you just destroy your wallet technically. And a few of my friends, they concentrated all or majority, to not say 70-80% of their wallet, it's in altcoins, and their wallet, it's not even profit, so this is why it's really important to balance well a wallet. Now, I'm not here to shame Sandbox, but it's just risk management. Don't put all your eggs in the same bag, and especially not in altcoins. Altcoins should be, short term. We see an A, we see a B. Okay, now this should be the C. Well, maybe if you see a 1, 2, here is the time to scale in. Short term, enjoy the ride. If you're not a cowboy, top of the third, you already take some profits. And if you want to risk it, then, you try your best luck for the 5th wave. But this is how I see it now, honestly. Altcoins are just there to take a lift. It's not to take a lift to the next step, but not to the next destination. And this is pretty much how I see it. Now, how do I see sand for now? Well, it's really ugly. It's really ugly. I mean, I could say that this is maybe a 5-way up, but do I want even to say that? And once again, very shallow pullback. So either you count this as an A, I don't know, this is a B, and this is a C, and within we have an A, a B, and yeah, maybe we can count 5-way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So I could count this as a 1 or A, this is a B, and now we're going for the C. So I would lower my expectation with this coin. If we can get to $1, I would be already very thankful. So you can see expectation very low, 1-to-1 ratio, 41 cents. Is there something more bullish? There is. Let me go on the tower so I can fit everything. So considering this was a wave 1, this very shallow wave 2, right? So I'm even willing to call this a bigger A. This is the B, and we're doing the C. And in this case, let me change the color now. Okay, I am fine with this. And $1.09, yeah. I would be already feeling lucky, and I would start to take profits. And actually, I need to check what is my cost, but I'm going to liquidate this coin for sure. When I start to get a decent profit, if I see that the trend is good, I'm going to continue to higher up my sell stop limit, and never again I will get back into this coin for long term. And this was my mistake. You know, I was still naive to think that we can invest in altcoins in a bear market. We can, but only for the swing. In fact, I should have sold here when you already reached $1. And this perhaps was another time to jump in, but honestly, the chart is not great, so I wouldn't have. And so I just lost some time. I just lost, if this sand coin managed to get back to $1 within next November, I just lost 1 year, and I just frozen my capital for 1 year for nothing. And I just came back where I was 1 year ago. So it's, at least I'm not losing money, but I should have taken profits here, and that's it. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys with SAN. Hopefully, you're not depressed, but this is what it is. So many coins are disappointing in this cycle. It's because we are in a 5th wave of this Bitcoin wave. And this is explain why the altcoins are not reacting well. Combine this with the orgy of altcoins, meme coins that every day they pop up. I mean, into my Bitget account, I'm start to be even pissed because there are way too many new coins every day. What the hell? Do we need all these new coins that they do nothing? No, we don't. I mean, yeah, the name it's cute, and sometimes it's just a dumb ass name. I think we should do something more constructive with crypto than just calling cute name, creating a coin, and expect to become rich overnight. I mean, life doesn't work like that. But you know what it works? It's you lose money just like that. That works. That's reality. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.